Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Greetings everybody. So guys, actually I do not know who will be watching this video just because we're coming to the Christmas and probably this interest to the markets as usual significantly drops in the current time. So anyway, I wish you to have the great time with your family, prosperity in the coming year, health, wealth and everything good. So just to not let you be boring through the weekend, we definitely will prepare the weekly report. So do not relax. Currently, guys, on the Forex market, not big action as usual, but few moments, just as yesterday, as today, is just few moments that we could comment. On Euro currency market mostly stands flat and it's really tight range. From first glance, we have here the bullish dynamic pressure. We have the bearish trend by the MACD, but price action stands flat. So it supposedly, or better to say, it's not excluded that some spike here might be formed. But if we will take a bit deeper look at the things that we see, here we have to pay attention to the couple of moments. First of all, on the 4-hour time frame chart, recently we've got the grabber, so currently it's not completed yet, but we could get it. And the market in general yesterday has shown this downward action. It's not as strong in the euro currency, but if we'll take a look at the gold market, you could see that there our scenario starts working and it's actually great downside performance has happened. This is first moment that I would like to mention. It's probably some bearish activity is growing and up, although we do not see it yet on euro currency. It doesn't show yet the strong downside action here. And second moment, I hope that you remember our recent analysis on the Great British Pound. And here's also important thing has happened. Yes, we haven't got any significant action yet. We do not see any acceleration. But we have mentioned two things. First, if you remember last time we said that cable shows absolutely no upside reaction based on the weakness on the United States dollar. That in turn has happened because of the performance of the Japanese yen. But we do not have any miracle, any reflection of this reaction on cable. It means that some inner weakness stands for the Great British Pound. Second moment has happened just yesterday, so we'll take a look at our 4-hour time frame chart and recall the three drive that we discussed. So from the technical point of view, with these diversions that have been formed there, with this long-term upward action, that was absolutely reasonable after the forming reversal swing, showing some deep retracement. And free drive was absolutely, totally fits to this scenario. But take a look what has happened recently. Market just has erased the free drive pattern. Which means that, well, maybe a retracement will happen still a bit later, but theoretically, when the market just breaks important reversal pattern in a placement where theoretically it should be formed, so that might be a really important sign. That's also, it's with the same probability it could happen that we could get a downside acceleration, especially on performance on the gold market. So these two moments that I would like to say concerning the current situation on the Forex. And on the euro currency, here's also we need to keep an eye on this consolidation. So it is a bit more extended than we thought. But that might be a very important signal to us, and if market starts moving with this grabber, that hopefully will be confirmed and taken out of these lows, this could mean something, and this downside action could accelerate further. Maybe, of course, it will not happen today, but after the Christmas on Monday, this really could happen because it seems that some bearish pressure is growing, although due to the silence on the markets currently, we do not see the significant impact on the price move yet. So that's a few things that we would like to share with you today. So shortly speaking, on the hourly chart, we just need to watch for this range. Once it will be broken, it will mean that probably euro currency should keep going lower, especially with the performance that we see currently on the gold and on Great British Pound.